Hello, it's Michael again from Stonebridge Roofing and Construction. We're doing a large coating today. You can kind of see the roof that we're doing today out here. And I wanted to talk to you about the first step. The first thing you have to do is you have to clean the surface. So you want to power wash the roof with a very specific cleaner for a roof to get the surface completely clean so that it will accept the coating that you're going to do. So that's the first step. So if you're going to do a coating, make sure that you clean the surface really well before you do it. Hello, it's Michael again with Stonebridge Roofing and Construction. The second step to doing a good coating after you power wash, get everything nice and clean, is you got to do your roof repairs. Here's an example where water has penetrated the roof. You can see how this is rotted out here. You don't want to just coat this when you have water underneath. So if you're going to do a coating properly, you've got to identify those areas that are wet, and then you need to cut them out. So what we're going to do is, you can see this chalk that we've outlined here. We're going to cut this entire rectangle out. We're going to cut this out all the way down to the deck. This might be a foot or more. We're going to take all of this wet material out. We're going to go back with the same material that was here. And then in this case we got EPDM. And we're going to put this back and do a repair so this section of roof is nice and solid, no wet underneath. And we're going to do that on a couple of areas here on this roof. That would be the second step. Never do a coating without doing that step first and making sure all those little repairs are done. Hello, it's Michael again, Stonebridge Roofing and Restoration. We're mid-flight here on our coating project. We've got the roof fully power washed. The next thing you want to do is put down some seam sealer or flex seal with a reset mat. And how that works is you put down a coat of the seam sealer, then you put down this mesh on all the seams, and then you coat it again. And as you can see here, we're going to do that the length of all the seams. Wherever there's a seam, we're going to do that. So that's the next step of the project. Hey, it's Mike here at Stonebridge Roofing and Restoration. So we've cleaned our roof. It's fully clean. Now wherever you have a seam, you need to put down seam sealer. And you see right here, we've got our seams. First you put down a coat of the seam sealer, then you put this mesh down, which is called a reset mat right here. And then we're gonna go on top of this again with the seam sealer. Once this is done on all the seams of the roof, all the protrusions, then we're gonna go back with our base coat, then our silicone coat, and you're gonna have a waterproof roof that's gonna last for a long time. Hey, it's Mike from Stonebridge Roofing and Restoration. So we've completed our power washing and we've completed our roof repairs. I wanted to show you one. Here is one of the repairs we had to do. We cut this all the way down. We put new material in here and we've done a repair. You want to do a good repair before you go over with any seam sealer or coating. So we got our repairs done. Now we're gonna seal up our seams and do our base coat, do our coatings, and we'll have this project well underway and done.